In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Gmail account access for websites and apps. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. So the first thing you're going to do is to open up your Gmail account like normal, and you're going to click on your profile picture. You're going to see it right here on the right, and then you're going to select Manage your Google account. Once you're on this page, you're going to go ahead and click on Security on the left, and we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and right here we're going to see your connection to third-party apps and services. You're going to click on See All Connections. And now here you simply have to select the app that you wish to remove. So in this case, I'm going to use Slack as an example. And now you simply have to click Delete all connections you have with the app. Go ahead and click on it. And then you simply confirm your action by clicking right here. And now all connections you have with this app will be deleted from your Gmail account. Hope that helped.